Imagine starting your day with a glass of fresh juice, crafted effortlessly, with every nutrient intact, without any tedious chopping or mess. That's exactly what this machine promises. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, where we review the products that truly earn their place in your home. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Tuumiist 3-in-1 cold press juicer machine, a premium masticating juicer designed for anyone serious about convenient, nutrient-rich drinks. Whether you're a busy professional, a health-conscious parent, or a meal prep enthusiast, this machine could be a game changer. The purchase link is in the description if you want to explore it further. Reason number 1. 6.5-inch wide chute. Juice whole fruit instantly. One of the most practical features is the extra-wide 6.5-inch chute. You can toss in whole apples, celery, or even carrots without pre-chopping. This saves precious prep time every morning, making it easier to integrate fresh juice into a busy routine. Reason number 2. 95% high juice yield and nutrient preservation. This is where cold press technology truly stands out. By mimicking hand squeezing, the Tuumiist extracts up to 95% of juice while preserving essential enzymes and nutrients. The pulp comes out nearly dry, so you're getting maximum value from every fruit and vegetable. Reason number 3. Smart touch control for juice, nut milk, and sorbet. With a sleek touchscreen interface, this machine handles 3 modes: fresh juice, creamy nut milk, and even fruit sorbet. The intelligent controls make it easy to switch modes seamlessly, letting you diversify your healthy recipes with minimal effort. Reason number 4. Quick 3-minute cleaning. Cleaning a juicer often feels like a chore, but Tuumiist simplifies it. Its 3-part assembly and quick-release design allow a full rinse in just 3 minutes. No scrubbing, no clogging, so it really fits into a modern, efficient kitchen. Reason number 5. Whisper quiet operation and auto-reverse function. The motor runs under 60 decibels, keeping your kitchen peaceful while you juice early in the morning. Plus, the smart auto-reverse feature clears jams automatically, ensuring smooth operation even with fibrous vegetables. Reason number 6. Premium build and long-term durability. Constructed from stainless steel and BPA-free materials, this juicer is built to last. It's trusted by many 5-star reviewers for daily use, offering both reliability and professional-grade quality in your home kitchen. Reason number 7. Large 100-ounce capacity, perfect for families. Equipped with a 100-ounce pitcher and auto shut-off function, you can prepare large batches in one go. Ideal for families or meal preppers, it allows hands-free operation without constant monitoring. Final verdict. The Tuumiist 3-in-1 cold press juicer machine balances convenience, performance, and long-term durability. While it may feel slightly larger for compact kitchens, its wide chute, high nutrient retention, and multifunction capabilities make it perfect for anyone committed to daily healthy living. If you value efficiency, versatility, and premium design, this machine stands out as a reliable choice. For those ready to make fresh, nutrient-packed juice a seamless part of their routine, the purchase link is available in the description. Take your time, review the features, and buy with confidence.